Number 1. What is the study of physical, cognitive, social, and emotional changes throughout our lives called? A. Developmental psychology. B. Moral psychology. C. Cognitive psychology. Number 2. The rooting reflex is an infant's tendency to A. Throw legs up in the air. B. Wave arms when startled. C. Open mouth and turn head when touched on the cheek. Number 3. Infants enjoy playing peekaboo because they lack blank, knowing that something exists if you can't see it. A. Object permanence. B. Animism. C. Centrism. Number 4. If Max is upset because he thinks his sister got 2 cheeseburgers for lunch because her cheeseburger is cut in half, then Max hasn't mastered A. Animism, B. Centrism, C. Conservation. Number 5. This is when young children use an existing schema to deal with a new object or situation. A. Conservation. B. Assimilation. C. Accommodation. 6. This is what happens when an existing schema or knowledge that a young child has does not work and needs to be changed to deal with a new object or situation. A. Conservation. B. Assimilation. C. Accommodation. 7. Which of the developmental phenomena is being described when a child feels the world revolves around them, that they are the world? A. Object permanence. B. Theory of mind. C. Egocentrism. 8. Which of Piaget's stages of cognitive development is described as thinking logically about concrete events? A. Concrete operational. B. Pre-operational. C. Sensorimotor. 9. Which of Piaget's stages of cognitive development is described as abstract reasoning? A. Formal operational. B. Concrete operational. C. Sensorimotor. 10. Experiments with monkeys suggest that attachment is based on physical affection and comfortable body contact, and not based on being rewarded with food. A. True. B. False. 11. Which parenting style is being described as the parent imposes the rules and says because I said so? A. Authoritarian. B. Permissive. C. Authoritative. 12. Which parenting style is being described as not enforcing limits or standards and giving in to kids' desires? A. Permissive. B. Authoritarian. C. Uninvolved. 13. Which parenting style is being described as enforcing rules and limits, but explaining, discussing, listening, and respecting ideas and wishes of children? A. Authoritarian. B. Permissive. C. Authoritative. 14. The time of sexual maturation and being able to reproduce is called A. Adulthood. B. Adolescence. C. Puberty. 15. The time period between childhood and adulthood that includes physical, social, emotional, and mental changes is called A. Maturity. B. Adolescence. C. Rebellion. 16. Period of inner conflict during which adolescents worry intensely about who they are. A. Rationalization. B. Identity crisis. C. Integrity. 17. The sex group, masculine or feminine, to which an individual biologically belongs. A. Gender stereotype. B. Gender role. C. Gender identity. 18. Group of behaviors that society considers appropriate for each sex. A. Gender identity. B. Gender role. C. Gender schema. 19. Oversimplified and distorted generalization regarding the characteristics of men and women. A. Gender stereotype. B. Gender schema. C. Gender identity. 20. Androgynous. A. Group of behaviors that society considers appropriate for each sex. B. Generalization regarding the characteristics of men and women. C. Combining or blending traditionally male and female characteristics. 21. Eating disorders may affect many teenagers and young adults. A. True. B. False. 22. The second period of reassessment that middle-aged people sometimes experience and can lead to a period of depression is called the A. Midlife crisis. B. Middle scene. C. Settling down period. 23. In late adulthood, individuals experience a decrease in which of the following? A. Sexual desire. B. Some cognitive abilities. C. Creativity. 24. Blank is a progressive, irreversible brain disorder characterized by gradual deterioration of memory, reasoning, language, and eventually physical function. A. Alzheimer's disease, B. Parkinson's disease, C. MCI. And the last one, 25, which type of thinking typically increases with old age? A. Cognition, B. Crystallized intelligence, C. Fluid intelligence.